So this is a doser, or a traditional espresso grinder. And I just want to describe a little bit how the doser works, where it came from, and what it's used for. To begin with, this system was designed to be full of ground coffee all the time. You're going to fill this chamber all the way up with ground coffee, and it's going to sit there for your whole workday. Each pull of this handle represents a dose. So that's one pull for a single and two pulls for a double. Now, we don't like this system. There's a few reasons why. It's predicated on stale coffee. The thing is full of stale coffee all the time. Each pull of the handle distributes a different amount of coffee. It's not very consistent. So in our technique, we're going to learn to operate the doser in a cleaner, more consistent way. When we're ready to start to prepare espresso, we're going to turn the grinder on with the knob here. And as soon as it begins to run, we're going to operate the doser handle. Remember to pull the doser handle all the way forward and to let it return all the way backward each time, or else it kind of gets stuck and no coffee comes out. Okay, we're going to start grinding by turning the grinder on and operating the dosing handle immediately. Remember, that grinder's a little bit faster than you, so it's important to turn it off before you're done dosing. The goal here is to fill the portafilter slightly over full and to leave as little as possible or no ground coffee at all behind in the dosing chamber. The doserless grinder is controlled by a timer. We're going to set the timer to control how much coffee comes out. Once the timer's set, the grinder will dispense the coffee directly into the portafilter. You could think of it as automatic. Now, each barista will always be responsible to set up how much coffee comes out of there. Model to model, adjustments vary, but ultimately we're just changing the value of a timer. We learned about two different types of espresso grinders. Each works a little bit different, but with the same objectives. Only grind as much coffee as you need to make the beverage you're working on, and the good barista always aspires to reduce wastage.